If you want to increase the rear visibility of your Jeep Wrangler, today we're going to be checking out this Rugged Ridge LED third brake light ring. It's going to fit just about every Jeep Wrangler available. This LED third brake light ring features 93 radiant torch red LEDs, which are going to give you increased safety on and off-road. It's constructed of a durable polypropylene mounting plate, which is drilled for 5 on 4.5, 5 on 5, and 5 on 5.5. Perfect for your JK, TJ, YJ, and even CJ vehicles. It includes the proper mounting clip for a JK Wrangler to give it a plug-and-play installation, and it also includes 2 of these heat shrink butt connectors. That way, if you've got any other vehicle, it'll simply attach with those. It's designed to work with both factory and aftermarket wheels and tire carriers. It's going to fit a 15 to 20 inch wheel, so today we're going to get it installed on a 2012 JK featuring the factory 17-inch wheels. So we've got our spare wheel off of our 2012 JK. Now the first thing that you're going to want to do is remove the factory third brake light connection. That way you can hook up the Rugged Ridge LED ring. To do that, you've got to flip it over and remove 4 T20 Torx bolts. It'll separate into 2 pieces, and then you'll simply unclip it from the top like this. Now you've got the perfect connection if you've got an 07 to 2018 JK Wrangler to just plug it right into that LED ring, and you can toss this aside, you won't be using it. I'm going to show you guys how hard it is to install this. Simply line up 2 of the top holes, line up the lower hole, press it firmly. That's it. It'll suction together with the stock wheel once you put the lug nuts on. Then as far as the connection goes, I like to have it at the top so we can plug that right in. That's what I love about this part too. No wiring if you've got an 07 to 18 JK. Simply plugs right in, and then I'm just going to tuck it right behind our factory tire carrier. So just like that, it's installed. Now we can throw our spare wheel and tire on the back, get those lug nuts torqued down, and show you guys what it looks like when that brake light turns on. See, if you had any questions about it working with a stock wheel, this is about as stock as it gets. It's a steel 17-inch wheel. You have plenty of clearance, so no issues with a factory wheel. Definitely not going to have an issue with an aftermarket wheel. We're just going to use a little breaker bar here. Snug up these lug nuts. They don't have to be torqued to any specific specifications, so just get them nice and tight. That way your wheel and tire doesn't fall off when you're out on the trail or on the highway. So after that's done, your install is complete. I'm going to hop inside, hit the brake light, and show you guys what this looks like with all the lights out in the studio. So it should be pretty cool. I'm really happy the way this third brake light works. If you can see here, this is 93 LEDs that are going to be shining through the spokes of your wheels. I think it gives a really nice accent onto the back end of your Jeep Wrangler. Now, like I said before, it'll fit most Jeep Wranglers with a 5 on 4.5 through a 5 on 5.5 lug pattern. Stock, aftermarket wheels, 15 to 20 inch, basically everything in between, and it's a great part to put on the back of your Jeep. Now, if you want to find this as well as many other lighting accessories for your Jeep Wrangler, be sure to check us out at cjponyparts.com.